Hello, we are from MSD Group 15, and we like to introduce our project entitled Evaporative Room Cooling and Solar Radiation Water Heating System in UTP. Our group members are Thiva, Artemus, Fathi, Hafizun and Rafealla. Our project is supervised by Dr. Rinnie. So, these are the contents of our video, which are problems faced, systems proposed, how the systems worked, the technical drawings and finally the benefits of the proposed systems. Now, let's get started. As a student staying in the hostel campus, do you feel uncomfortable when doing work in your room, especially in hot weather? And, do you feel cold when taking shower in the morning? Introducing Evacuated Tube Solar Water Heater and Evaporative Room Cooling System. These two systems are installed at the residential building as shown here. Now let us see how evaporative cooler work. The warm air enters the cooler and then passes through a wetted matrix. A pump is used to recirculate water from a reservoir over the wetted matrix. The blower then pushes the cool air out of the machine. This is the 3D model of our evaporative cooler. The moving animation shows the blower rotating to create a negative pressure to allow the outside air to flow into the evaporative cooler. This blower is designed in such that it is able to push the air through the ducts. The cool air is then distributed by air diffusers, or distributed via nozzles, fitted to the ducting. Air from the evaporative cooler is pushed through the ducting to each individual rooms. This is how the flow of the cold air from room 1 to room 6. Next, let us see how solar water heater works. First of all, water is pumped by using a mini centrifugal pump from the cold storage tank to the manifold of evacuated tube solar collector that is located on the roof. Sun's radiation hits the evacuated tubes and gets absorbed by the absorber coating inside the tubes. Heat is transferred from the absorber through the aluminium fins to the heat pipe. Vacuum present between the two glass tubes of the collector acts as an insulation, preventing convective heat loss to the surrounding. Thermal liquid, which is water inside the heat pipe, changes to vapor and rises to the condenser part of the heat pipe. Heat from condenser is absorbed by water in the manifold. When thermal liquid gives off all the heat to the water, its temperature decreases, and it returns to the base of the heat pipe. Finally, hot water flows from manifold to the hot water storage tank located under the roof to be used for hot shower. Next, these are the technical drawings. Solar water heater and the evaporative room cooling system. Next, let us see the benefits of the two systems. Evaporative cooling system has seen to be the most sustainable alternative to replace traditional air conditioning system, as it has much more benefits such as environmentally friendly, cost-saving, energy efficient and low energy consumption. Environmentally friendly, the total carbon dioxide released by the evaporative cooler in a year is 3,297 kilograms compared to the air conditioner, which releases 11,178 kilograms. This analysis gives an indication that the implementation of evaporative cooler can reduce the release of carbon dioxide gas by 3 times. Secondly, cost saving. Evaporative cooler has a net present worth of 19,704 ringgit Malaysia, while air conditioner has a present value of 80,376 ringgit. The net present value is a clear indicator that evaporative cooler is more economical to be used in the campus environment, as the operating costs and capital investment is lower. Low energy consumption. Based on an average usage of 12 hours a day, the total energy consumption per month is 396 kilowatt hours. And the monthly cost is 126 ringgit 50 cent. However, for the air conditioner, the monthly energy consumption is 1,342 kilowatt hours and the cost are 614 ringgit 80 cent per month. From this calculation, it can be deduced that evaporative cooler has low energy consumption, which leads low cost as well as impact to the environment. Energy efficient. In terms of outlet temperature, evaporative coolers are able to lower the temperature up to 6 degrees Celsius, which results to 23.2 degrees Celsius of outlet temperature. It is also capable on giving high cooling efficiency, up to 52.7% at maximum of 70% of relative humidity. Collaboration plan has been made with a few organizations in order to install the evaporative cooler system in the campus. The collaborators are Rafealla Pacific, SIM Air Conditioning Engineering, UTP Gas District Cooling and UTP Residential Village. Moving on to the benefits of solar water heater system. This system is an environmentally friendly water heating option. With a solar hot water system, you can be 100% sure you're using a zero emissions renewable resource for your water heating needs. Secondly, economically, the system has high purchasing cost, but inevitably, it will save up a lot of money in the long run. With the efficiency of 70%, the system will lower energy consumption for water heating purposes. Next, the system able to operate like a high-end technology where it can deliver hot water up to 59 degrees Celsius. This hot water temperature output will be able to capacitate the hot water needs in the hostels. And, these are our collaborators for solar water heater system. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy the video.